everyone, we can't forget about our new contest sponsored by Bennett Auto Supply. Bennett's Catch a Big One contest will give 4 lucky winners a chance to go fishing with captains from our show. And they'll take home a prize pack with all kinds of Chevy Florida Insider Fishing Report fishing swag.
We're talking about
We're
talking Guy Harvey t-shirts. We also have the Chevy Florida Insider Fishing Report t-shirts, performance wear, hats, Turvis tumblers, you name it. Bennett Auto Supply hats, we got it. If they don't make it, it's because we don't have it.
That's because we don't have it. Okay,
That's
well,
right.
Make sure you go to our website, ChevyFloridaInsiderFishingReport.com, and enter and do that right now.
Yeah.
Because that is
Don't wait.
Don't wait.
Do it now.